Hello and welcome to Sweet Wine. Today I am excited to share with you a delicious recipe of carrot pudding that does not require gelatin. To start, you will need 4 medium-sized carrots. Peel them and cut them into small pieces. In a pan, boil the carrots with water for a few minutes until they are soft. Then transfer the boiled carrots to a plate and let them cool down. Once they are cool, blend them into a smooth puree using a blender. In another pan, add 2 cups of milk and 1/4 cups of sugar and boil the mixture for a few minutes. Next, add the carrots puree to the milk and sugar mixture and stir well. In a separate bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of corn flour with water and then pour the mixture into the pan with the carrot and milk. Stir well until the mixture becomes thick. Finally, pour the thick mixture into a pudding tray and decorate with some nuts. This is an easy and delicious pudding that will surely be a hit with anyone who loves desserts. And I hope you enjoy making this yummy carrot pudding at home. So that's for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you all in next video. Thank you.